287 in Parsippany at Route exit 41. You've got a car that went off the roadway, so one lane is currently blocked off, something that you want to keep in mind.
Yeah.
Now problems in Peekskill on southbound Route 9 north of Main Street. You've got an accident blocking the right lane, and 3 problems on the New York State Thruway. Northbound at exit 10, you've got
the WCBS Weather Center.
33 heavy snow here in lower Manhattan, and again, some lightning and thunder snow here in Hudson Springs.
Again, the snow is falling, big white puffy flakes covering the roadway. The grass is already covered, the car is getting covered, the snow's coming down, and yes, we did hear a little bit of that thunder snow just a little while ago. Catches you by surprise.